I am gonna call my shots. Wow! I'm gonna open. It's because it's the last game and I'm gonna win it. So, tapusin na natin to last game
So
though.
guys, let's kill Sandman. Crush his dreams.
I want to see it try. We are playing Love Letters with the BS Games group here. We have 4 players. We have Maybe, Kill Uncle. We have Itlog. We have Skido Lavino. And we have a very special guest right now. We have Sandman. Yes, I am playing. Wala kaming moderator. How? We are using netgames.io. FYI, it's a free site. You can try it with your friends. You can play a lot of games, including this one, Love Letter. We have been playing Love Letter for 11 games now? 11 games. This is our 12th game. This is the 12th and final game of Love Letter. Nag-series mo kami nito. Kill Uncle has 3. Itlog has 3. I have 3. Skido, 2 points pa lang. Pero okay lang yan, Skido. You would be third place sa 4-player game because the game will be over. We are gonna start the game now. Sobrang yabang ko pa targeting na nila.
It's a shade.
I'm gonna start
I know.
the game. I'm poking the bears. Okay.
Why don't we make this first to reach 5?
I'm gonna
among the 3 of us.
It doesn't work like that. I'm gonna start the game, and then with all the trash that I've been throwing, I'm gonna use the handmade.
What?
For one more round. It is Skido Lavino's turn now.
Duke
Skido is
it
using
out.
the handmade.
Duke it out, too.
Yes. Skido is also using the handmade. It is Itlog's turn now.
I'm in it to survive right
You're
now.
worst.
Duke it
Sa akin na
out,
pwede.
both of you.
Gusto ko sana makipag-team up kay Kill Uncle. Kill Uncle, alam mo namang di kita pinapatay kanina pa, di ba?
No!
choice.
No,
No choice.
The goal is to make Skido win.
Yay!
Even if
Nice.
it means all of us lose.
Coming for
Okay.
you.
I will trust Kill Uncle.
Oh, no.
Wow, what?
Big mistake. Big mistake.
Log.
Let's
What?
see.
Are you, do you even hear yourself?
Kill Uncle, redeem yourself.
How?
Itlog will
I'm not
use
sure how.
the king card at makikipagpalit siya ng card
So,
kay Kill
magigets
Uncle.
mo kung
By
bakit
default.
ito yung ginagawa ko at ito yung I will trust you.
Nagkapalitan po sila ng cards right now.
Hindi
Yung
ko
card ni
nakuha.
Itlog na kay Kill Uncle.
Di mo
na.
nakuha? I would have
First.
killed you.
Ganun ba yun?
No, Kill Uncle. Itlog's gonna kill you now kasi he knows your card.
Yes. Or gamitin niya isa niyang card.
It is Kill Uncle's turn now. Pero you know naman Itlog's card. Whatever you had.
I know.
nakita.
Kasi galing sa akin eh.
So it is Itlog's... it is Kill Uncle's turn now.
Ibaliwala natin yung mga handmade na mga yan.
I can't touch them no?
Wala, si Itlog lang muna. Ano kaya? Grabe Naging... for a game called Love Letter, sobrang intense ng labanan ng 4 na lalaking to.
Should I
We are
Itlog, or should I
getting
get
ice purchase.
Brent, Itlog, what should I do?
You should let me live. My target is Kiddo.
Oh, Marnie!
Kasi pagka eliminated ka na, tapos na tong game na to.
Last game na to.
Wow, you're evil! Oh God, dude.
Wala, you have no choice. Whatever it is, you can either use that on yourself or kay
No,
Itlog.
it's fine,
Okay. Ginamit niya kay Itlog. So, pinalitan na yung card ni Itlog. I am
Itlog,
gonna
tanong
use
bala.
one of my
Oh,
guard
random.
cards. I'm gonna use it on
Skido.
Kill Uncle. I'm gonna
Yes.
guess nakaprotect pa rin siya. I'm thinking Kill Uncle is the princess, and I'm incorrect.
I think Salman is saying that because he has a princess. It's
If it's not
Okay, Skido is gonna guard Itlog. Itlog doesn't have the princess either.
Itlog. Don't touch
I think
me.
it's Skido. Pero okay lang. Okay lang manalo si Skido.
Feeling ko din si Skido may
Please,
princess.
titingnan niya ang card ni Skido. Alam na ni Itlog ang card ni Skido.
Look at Skido in
It's
poker
Kill
face.
Uncle's turn now. Kill Uncle will use the Baron card.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Mataas siguro card nito. Or dalawang Baron yung nasa kanya. is gonna use the Baron card on me, and wow!
That's it.
Wow!
Guard ka lang. Di man lang,
First blood.
di man lang nabigyan ng information si
Actually,
Skido.
Nakaano pa ako, it's like 50-50.
Clearly, I lost. Mas mataas sa guard card yung Cardinal Uncle.
Na-jinx
Good luck,
yung
Skido.
intro mo.
Sabi ko na good luck, Skido.
Skido, you
You
can
have
do
to win.
this.
You have to win.
Discard mo na yung Countess
He
mo.
is gonna Baron Itlog, and Itlog has been eliminated. Mas mataas sa peace card. Ang card ni Skido. Kaya mo ba, Skido? Kaya ba to? Kaya ba to?
Tapos na ba?
Shoot, matatapos na. It's Kill Uncle Star now. And he is gonna use, ano ba natitira? Guard card on, click, hindi. Click mo si Skido.
I have to
He's gonna get Skido's card to be the
this.
princess. Skido is not the princess.
What?
The
What?
game
No.
is over.
Hey!
It's okay.
Game is over.
Yes, Simon, you were correct. This is the last game for.
Yeah.
Of all the people who could have won,
What does that
Kill
mean?
Uncle one. Oh, malapit na. Skid had a countess pala. Sayang. Dang it.
I did not. Total annihilation.
So that,
Annihilation.
well, that was a waste of 12 games. Don't worry, Bujan, never mind. Don't
I
upload.
gave you the chance to
Wag mo na
first to
i-upload.
reach 5, but no.
Wag mo nang i-upload to Bujan. All
Ano kaya
12
nangyari
games.
if pinatay ko na lang si Kill Uncle kanina?
Pwede rin
So-
kasi.
Grabe.
Trip.
Yung pag-i-intro namin ng sagad.
Well, I only did one intro in this entire love
It
letter,
was so deflating.
Ilang beses
Anyway,
nag-intro si Sandman.
nakatatlo ko this from start to finish, nakatatlo ko.
just one.
Anyway, sige na, let's stop this game. Natigil na natin to so we can start a new tomorrow. So it is what it is. You know, every kahit si Thanos na nanalo. So yes, Kill Uncle won. The bad guys sometimes win. This is one of those cases.
What?
Uncle won with the
Become
Princess
Italian.
card. He the one who had the contest and na-eliminate kami. Congratulations, Kill Uncle. 4 wins. It took him 12 games though. Pathetic. To win 4 games.
Nine games.
But nevertheless, you won.
The mace.
good job.
The mace,
Anyway.
the mace.
If you guys like this video, if you like the series, click the like button and subscribe and the notification button. Every time we upload Love Letter and the other games we play, check out netgames.io, and we go live practically every weekend, Saturdays and or Sundays. If not on our Facebook page, for some reason naman pag-post right now, check our YouTube page. We send there the link, comment, and we'll let you join the next time. Until then, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next PS Games video. Bye.